Welcome to the magical land of the Pink Cats, a world filled with wonder and color. Meet Pinky's best friend, Purrfect, known for his wise and calm nature.
The elder shares stories of the land's history, passed down through generations.
Every corner of this land holds a secret, waiting to be discovered. One day, they found an old map that spoke of a legendary treasure.
The treasure was a source of great power. But was it real?
With hope in their hearts, they embarked on a journey to find the truth.
Their first challenge was crossing the Whispering River, a place of mystery. The spiky bushes made their path difficult, but they worked as a team. They found a lost bird who seemed to need their help as much as they needed his. Chirpy knew the secret paths, guiding them to safety. They reached the Singing Waterfall, a place of peace and harmony. To cross, they had to solve an ancient riddle, a test of their wisdom. Each friend had a piece of the puzzle, and together they found the solution. With the puzzle solved, a secret path opened, leading deeper into the unknown. Inside, they found a magnificent crystal cave, a sight to behold.
Suddenly, the ground trembled, and the crystals began to shake violently.
A huge rock golem appeared, the guardian of the cave.
Pinky realized the golem was not angry, just lonely and seeking a connection.
Through kindness, the cats befriended the golem.
Who became their new guardian.
The golem showed them a secret path, known only to the heart of the mountain.
They entered a beautiful but confusing labyrinth of glowing vines. The labyrinth was a test of their faith, a challenge of trust. Their bond of friendship was the key to unlocking the labyrinth's secret. The Bridge of Light appeared, a magical path to the heart of the mountain. They met a tiny sparkle sprite, the protector of the bridge.
The sprite gave Pinky a gift, strengthening her heart and courage. Finally, they reached the summit, the very heart of the Pink Cats' land.
Before them was the legendary treasure, the source of all the land's magic. But taking it would mean the end of the land's magic, a choice of great consequence. Pinky realized the true treasure wasn't a stone, but the friendships she made.
By not taking the treasure, they ensured the land of the Pink Cats would thrive forever.
Their quest complete, they began the journey home, their hearts full. The village celebrated their return, happy to have their heroes back home. They shared their incredible story, not of a treasure found, but a lesson learned. The rock golem, now a friend, became the village's new protector.
Chirpy, no longer lost, found a new family with Pinky and Purrfect.
They returned to their peaceful lives, but they were forever changed by their journey. The greatest treasures are not found, but created through love and friendship.
What new adventure awaits? Subscribe and hit the bell for more tales from this magical world.